I'm on my own on the fucking ghost train at Blackpool Pleasure Beach because the kids didn't want to ride with me, so they've gone ahead. I'm in here on my bastard own, looking like an absolute not ride. With a floating head coming towards me. Brilliant. Headless men. Fantastic. Threat to be eaten. What the actual fuck. And now I'm going to go inside while all the fucking people laugh at me. Because I'm sat in the car on my own like an absolute, oh my god, this is so fucking embarrassing. That is too much. I am just fucking mortified. I can't even make eye contact with anybody. Oh my god. Do not stand up. No, I'm not going to stand up. Look at that. You scared the shit out of me. Oh, for God's sake. I was just going to say, you used to scare the shit out of me this when I was a kid. Something's going to happen. No. Oh, this is stupid. Fuck me! Oh. Bloody hell. Freddy Krueger. Here we go. Outside. My fucking mum. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm actually scared. Right. Oh, it's not funny now. Oh my god. Right, I got on being all cocky taking the piss. I've actually nearly wet myself twice. I'm going back inside now. Hang on. No, there's something. Oh! What is it? I can see something. Something's. No. Oh my god. Daylight. Oh! Do not stand up. Oh! The fucking intention of standing up. Dickhead. Oh my god. Right, well that'll teach me to take the piss. Oh, it's not even finished. Who's that? Right. Oh. Oh my god. This is mental. Louis and Ruby have gone on before me. I don't know where they are. There we go. This better be the fucking end. Oh. Right. Please God, be over. Oh, it's not even over.